My name is Whitaker. I'm a photographer based in New York City, and today we're at Washington Square Park. I'm going to be taking you guys behind the scenes on a couple shoot. I am shooting on my Canon 5D Mark IV and then my Sigma 35 art lens for this session. It is almost sunset, so we're working with about 30 more minutes of daylight, but it's going to be a nice challenge. You guys can view the full set of images down below, linked in the description box over on my website. Be sure to subscribe for more photography videos, tips, and tricks. You guys can find me over on Instagram and Twitter. Also, before we jump in, Build and Bloom, which is my nonprofit for young photographers, is doing a free workshop in Houston and Dallas next month. We've done the workshop called Rally in New York, LA, and Seattle, and we're super excited to be in Texas. So it's free. I'm going to have more information for that link down below. Let's jump into the video. So put your arms around Kyle's neck. Kyle, put your arms around her waist. Okay, and then you're going to look at me to start out with, and then we're going to do looking at each other. So, okay, do a little bit more. So I'm shooting on a 35, so we have to kind of have scoot really far away to get the arch. Yay! Yes, great, yep. I'm dead. They already know. I love photographing photographers because it's just like dead silent, but like so many poses. It's the best. Okay, yep. Okay, will you watch my back?
Oh, can I get in this too? Like, what is this?
Yes, group shot. Good. Okay.